Northway Brooklyn trains and IRT Lexington Avenue trains. Please stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop will be 14th Street, Union Square. This stop, 14th Street, Union Square. Change here for local trains across the platform and BMT, Broadway, and Canarsie trains. Next stop, 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. This stop, 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. Change here for local trains across the platform, 42nd Street shuttle trains to Times Square, number 7 trains to Flushing, and Penn Central Railroad trains on the upper level. Please take your newspapers and personal belongings with you. Watch the closing doors. The next stop will be 59th Street. This stop, 59th Street. Change here for local trains and BMT trains to Astoria and Forest Hills on the upper level.